What's the meaning of immoral? Amoral. 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 Amoral.
The term immoral refers to a lack of concern for moral principles, ethics, or values. It describes someone who makes decisions and behaves in ways that are not guided by conventional notions of right and wrong. Immoral individuals may act solely based on their own self-interest, without regard for how their actions may affect others or society as a whole. This can result in behavior that is perceived as unethical, immoral, or even dangerous. While immoral behavior may not necessarily be illegal, it is widely recognized as being socially and morally unacceptable.